Okay. Welcome back. It is day, I believe, 117 of coding every day. So I was expecting to get my response today for the internship. And maybe it means that, they passed on me and just didn't give me the um, you know, a call or email of saying they were going to move forward with other people. Uh, but I could also get the call tomorrow. They said mid this week. I would know. But weirdly, I got so last summer I did an REU in Houston, which is like research at a university. And I got an offer today for another research thing at Texas State, um, which I mean, it's better than nothing, but it's not what I want like at all. So I guess I don't know. I haven't had a lot of time to like think about it. It's one of the big things is like living situation, and it's like living in a dorm with like another person. That was like my RU that I did last summer. I was really worried about living in a dorm with like another person, because I don't really like that at all. Just like a random stranger sharing one room with them. Um, but then it turned out being good there. So I'm still hoping I get the internship like tomorrow, because like I said a million times over, I'd want to do that over the RU at Texas State. But um, I guess it's better than bagging groceries over the summer. So yeah, I'll think about that more tonight and tomorrow, and maybe talk about it more. Um, if I need to talk about it more, unless I get the offer tomorrow. But yeah, today was really pretty dead for coding. I had my computer architecture class this morning. Um, we went over like different caching techniques, um, or like out of order, also dependence stuff. Um, and then yeah, that was basically it for that class. And so for the actual coding I did today was literally just working on. So last time we worked on taking all of the um, being able to upload assembly like text, or a text file of assembly code, and then put that through the simulator, which would convert it to its binary encodings, and then store it in DRAM. And so now I'm trying to show that on the UI. So today made it so that it's actually a little messed up somewhere where I'm gonna have to look at. We'll probably look at it tomorrow because I've been doing linear algebra all day. But um, I was testing with like a one line file, and I just tested like I don't know 10 minutes ago with like 3 lines, and it's only processing that first line. But the UI is showing the line, and um, not exactly the encoding that I want in DRAM, but yeah. So we'll see. A lot of work to do on that. So today was just a little bit of work on that UI, and we'll have to work on it some more later. So but that's it. Still just waiting on that internship, seeing what their response is. But yeah, I got an offer from that university, so that's something to think about. I have to respond by next Wednesday. So yeah. Anyways, that's all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow, for hopefully a little more done. Not much to talk about today because I really was only doing linear algebra today, so my coding was very minuscule. So, all right, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.